In this video, I've got 9 very useful Android hacks, tips and tricks to show you, so if you're interested, feel free to hit the like button and let's get started. Most Android users use the Google keyboard, and if you didn't know, you could have your keyboard floating on the screen like this. It lets you reach all the keys when you are holding the phone with one hand. This is pretty cool for one-handed use. To enable it, tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the keyboard, select floating, and enjoy one-handed typing if that is what you want. For me, it's a very handy feature. If you happen to use some apps regularly and precisely some specific chats or places, you can have app shortcuts on your home screen for quick access. So for example, with WhatsApp, when I long press on the icon, there are some favorite chats listed here of which I can just have them on my home screen. So now if I want to send a message to this chat, I just tap on the shortcut instead of opening WhatsApp. This feature also happens with many apps: Telegram, YouTube for your subscription tab, Search or Explore tab, File Manager for straight entry to whether internal or external storage. Just long press on the app and drag the shortcut to the home screen. This really is a time saver. If you are looking to having very professional profile pictures to gain attention on any platform, check out PFP Maker for some awesome creations. PFPmaker.com is a site that instantly removes the backgrounds of photos and comes up with very stunning profile pictures from the photos. And so far as I know, it is free to use and you can download as many as you want from dozens of exports. So again, check out this site for instant photo background removals for nice profile pictures. Free VPN apps on the Play Store are very bad and do not really provide the service they claim to offer. Most free VPN apps are full of malware, and if you install them and do any sign up with emails or even just having them on your phone, they collect your data and use them elsewhere without you knowing. Rather, if you really want to use a VPN, then I suggest you do good research and invest in some really genuine VPN applications. I'll put a link to my favorite YouTuber HOWTOMEN's video on the best VPN apps in the video description. Go check it out. Did you know there's a very hidden settings menu in your Android device? It is called Developer Options. It is hidden because the settings there are not for just an average Android user, so it's safe to keep it hidden. To get this hidden menu, just open the settings, scroll down to System, About Device, and look for Build Number. Tap on the build number 7 times, then go back to the system settings. There you'll find the developer options up above the About phone. Now you can access this hidden settings menu. There are some awesome settings here that can be very helpful if you know what you are doing. But if you don't know what you are doing here, then I suggest you leave the things as they are and just feel good for being able to unlock hidden Android settings. If your phone battery is way down and you really need it quickly, one helpful solution is to put the phone on airplane mode to enable the phone to charge up quickly. You can also triple tap on your phone to zoom in no matter the app you are in at that moment. Just go to your phone settings, accessibility, and then in the accessibility settings you should find magnification. Just tap on it and choose to magnify with triple tap or with button. Then you choose the triple tap. You can then disable it anytime. Avoid installing phone cleaning apps which does not do the job well, but rather fills the phone with intrusive ads and they themselves taking up storage. If you really want to clean your phone to get more storage, head over to your phone settings, storage settings, and you'll find out what is actually taking up storage, and there you can clean your phone. If you have antivirus apps installed on your phone, are they really serving their purpose? If not, then delete them right away because most of them are full of malware that collect and sell your information. With the Play Protect feature on the Google Play Store, I don't think you need an antivirus app on your phone. In fact, your phone stands a risk of being stolen than it is of a virus. Totally unnecessary. And that's it for some Android hacks, tips and tricks which I know are very useful. So let me know down in the comment section if you liked the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more Android videos. Also, check out my previous video for an amazing Android home screen setup. Link is in the video description. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.